Hey guys, focus. Okay, so today's vlog is we're gonna talk about Loot Crate Marvel Gears and Goods. So this is an unboxing. This is from a December package. So let's see what's in here. Here we go. So the first thing we have here is manure tumbler glass. So let's see what's in here. Tumbler glass. Okay, so we have a Thor glass. Whoever holds this hammer, if he be worthy, shall possess the power of Thor. Whoever holds this hammer, if he be worthy. Why can't it be she? Because the current Thor is a female. So here's this item. The next item we have are these. What are these? 8-bit Asgard cookie cutters. Let's take a look at these cutters. Okay, so we have this thing looks like Space Invaders, like these video game Space Invaders. I think this is Thor, this is the bad lady, and this is Loki. Let me grab that package, that 8-bit cookie cutter. That's what was in this box. And then here's this. Next we have a t-shirt. This is how this t-shirt looks. Check it out. I think it's supposed to be like a Christmas ugly shirt. So let's see how this looks. Oh, not bad. This is how it looks. Okay. Christmas t-shirt. Now here's the next item. This next item is a Thor pen. Let's open this up and see how this works. It comes with little clips like this. And let's see how this looks. Well, there it is. That's how the Thor pen looks on the t-shirt. See what else is on here. The next item we have is this package. So this is Mighty Thor snack tray set. So let's take a look at what this snack tray is. It won't come out, it's so stubborn. So we have this. And here's the tray. This is, maybe it's a cookie tray. Oh, I think that's what this is for. This is the Thor cookie cutters. And you pour cookies with these cookie mold right in here. So that's what this is. Thor cookie tray. So that's how this looks. And then the next item is we have this. Okay, what else is in here? Oh, and then I guess it comes with these things. I guess just a list of what you get: the t-shirt, the cookie cutters, tray sets, this tray set, this, and inside this package is, it looks like a box. I guess you pack it up so it looks like a Christmas box, like that. So let's see if I can put all this back together. Instant gift for your loved ones. And there you have it. What is this called again? The Loot Crate presents Marvel gear and goods for December. I hope you enjoyed this video and click like. Don't forget to subscribe. And this camera needs to focus better. Okay, until next time, be good.